Are your Instagram reels zoomed in or getting cut off with text or video going outside the screen on Android? In this video, I'll show you a simple fix for the Instagram reels zoom and display issue on Android so everything fits the screen properly again. Let's get right into it. Solution 1. Disable developer options scaling. If developer options are enabled on your phone, then go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap System. Now scroll to Developer Options and tap it. Scroll down to the Drawing section, then set Animation Scale, Transition Scale, and duration scale to 1x. Extreme values can break app layouts. Solution 2. Check display zoom settings. Go to your phone settings, tap on display and touch. After that, look for options like display size and text and tap it. Set them to default or medium. Zoomed display settings can cause apps like Instagram to crop content incorrectly. Solution 3. Force stop and clear cache Instagram. Hold the Instagram app on your device. A menu will pop up. Then tap App Info. Now tap on Force Stop. After that, tap on Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the black screen issue. Now reopen the app and check if the reels are working. And that should fix the issue. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it. I'll see you at the next one, guys.